bees. We are back in my kitchen science lab today. We haven't been here in a while. So today we're going to make a little tornado. Has anybody ever heard of tornadoes before? Maybe you have, but I'll explain a little bit about it. A tornado happens usually in the spring when you have some cold air and some warm air that come together. When they come together, they form these big, huge thunderclouds, and they start spinning, circular. And the faster and faster they spin, they come out of the cloud. Sometimes they may reach the ground. They spin so fast, the wind is so fast that they can create a lot of damage. Sometimes they might take a tree down. Maybe they move your car and tip it over. Sometimes they take the roof off of your house. So it's dangerous to be outside when there's a tornado. If there's going to be a tornado, you want to make sure you're in your house, in the lowest part of your house. Like if you have a 2-story house, come down to the 1st story. If you have a basement, go to the basement. If you don't have a basement, just go to a room in your house, maybe the bathroom, that does not have a window. So today we are going to make our own little tornado in a jar. A couple of things that we found. You can use any size jar, but try to find a jar that's circular. We did some that were not circular. They don't work quite as well. If you've got a plastic jar, that's great. I don't have one here, but if kids can use the plastic jars a little bit better. But if not, that's fine. I want to show you a couple of things. You will need, like I said, the jar, and then you'll need a little dish detergent, but I mean just a little bit. I'm going to show you what happens when you put too much in. I'm pouring some dish detergent in there. And if you have food coloring, that just kind of helps you see the tornado a little better. You don't have to have that. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow food coloring in there. Just a drop of that too. But now you're going to put your top on. Make sure that your top is on very tight. All right, so we're going to twist this around, kind of like a twister. And you can see that there's a lot of soap in there. You just can't see the tornado very well. See how much soap is at the top? A little bit too much. So to see it a little better, we want to make sure you only put 1 drop of soap in. Okay, so we're going to add water to this jar. Do not put water to the very top. Got to have a little extra room. Okay, so we filled it up. Here's our dish soap. Just a drop is all I want. There we go. And a drop of food coloring. Okay, let's put our top on. Make sure it's tight. Okay, put it up here by the light so you can really see it. All right, look at that tornado spinning in that jar. Let's do it again. It's gonna go around and around. There's that tornado spinning in the jar. If you have some glitter, you can actually put some glitter in there, and it's kind of like what they call debris. When a tornado is on the ground, all kinds of things flying around the ground. Do you see the tornado? This is what a real tornado looks like. And it sounds very loud. Some people say it sounds like a big train coming. All right. Have a great week. Bye, bees.